Oh yeah. This couple week was very cold, frozen, so I trying to make ice sled. So let's try. Actually, I kept this toy a long time. I was waiting for this cold weather to make sled. This toy for that baby bicycle, plastic. Alright, this will be nice sled. There's hole over here, something like that. This one I got from fish market. Actually, this is protection like a styrofoam, like a salmon pallet. If you work at the fish market, you will know. You can get it. Nice foam block. So if you install this one here, basically you can use when you ice break down. Probably you can throw this one and rescue. Alright, so very simple. Just and use this thing, this tie up thing. This one. Use it like this, and set up the stabilizer. Use wood block, just this one. Front is what? Basically full rest. In the back is basically this wiggling around, not stable, so make stabilizer with this one. This thing. Alright. I won't make a stabilizer. And put the nail on it. Like this. Very simple. Simple sled. Alright. This is styrofoam, so warm, very warm, and the full rest like this. Okay. And there is hole over here already exist. You put in the string over here. Right, 2 times, 2 times. Go like this, like this, holding string, like this. Okay. Ready to go have fun with kids. That's it. I bought at the Harbor Freight this loaf, long enough, so basically you can pull kids in the middle, in the middle, in like this. Okay, that's it. That's the thing. So if ice break down, somebody fall in the water, you can throw this whole thing. Alright, you can throw this whole thing and rescue people. Alright, that's good. Good ice sled. Don't throw away garbage. You can recycle. Today is what? Freezing cold weather, and a couple days so cold. This is a parasite liver. This is a frozen liver. I know. It's okay. It's better. Police, he can rescue us. Yeah, look at it. So thick. Look at this ice. Cracked. Hole.
Oh, no. What if the ice breaks?
Ice. Yeah, in the middle. Put in the middle. Put in the middle line. Yeah. 나와. in the here. In the back. In the back. Yeah, look at the ice. Woo. Woo. Look at this ice. Monkville Reserve. What? Alright. Dear. Okay, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's go on the ice. Monkville Lake. Yeah. Ooh, look at it. Oh, it's okay, John. Be careful. let's go explore over there. All the way across. Yeah. Nice. Woo. Strong ass. Monk's Bill Lake.